Oh, after feeding, we are so
Did you
sleepy.
buy that for downstairs?
Yeah.
It's cute. It's perfect. You don't like it. I
Very
know
good
you don't
cry.
like it. Just don't cry yourself to sleep is all I ask. Okay. Let's try it.
The cord has been cleaned. Not bad. Not bad, dear bud.
Come on. Wake up for me. Wake up for me. Aww. I think it's not a good time, okay?
Okay.
I know.
Lauren, wake up. There he is. There he is. There he is. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Wake
11:15.
up. Wake up.
Is it kind of a tight schedule that day? Okay.
The baby is
Baker.
alive.
Robin.
You can see
Her
somewhere.
name is Lauren.
She's still hooked up here to this thing so that we can check her oxygen concentration.
Right.
But she's obviously got her tubes out. That's good. Alright.
My home phone is 469-1198.
Telephoto works. Lauren. Lauren, wake up.
Okay. Thanks.
Wake up.
Well, I tried to get one early, honey, so you could go, or late, but couldn't.
Okay.
Friday the 12th.
Alright, we're trying again. See if we can get this thing waked up. Woken up.
Film me
Lauren.
doing record.
Lauren. There's the tongue. Let's see. If cleaning the cord wakes up a child, proof is in the pudding. Cleaning the cord
Does not wake up
does
the
not
child.
wake up the child. Rats. There we go. We got arm movement. We got face movement.
Getting a little unhappy, a little perturbed.
Yeah, we had tongue movement here a little bit
Okay.
ago. There it
Let's do
is.
some
There's some
baby
more tongue
aerobics.
action.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
There you go.
Come on, wake up. We just want to feed. Let's take the hat off.
Look at that head of hair.
Yeah. And a little leg lifts. Okay. Ah, you're not cooperating. Okay. Little arm things. Yeah, come on. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Yeah, big yawn. A big yawn.
Spit out that tobacco now. Come on, Lauren.
Yeah.
Oh,
1
hey, that
and
kind of works.
2 and 3. My eyes are so closed. You think it's working, but it's not.
You have that flexibility in her arms, sweetie?
Yeah.
Her legs are a little tight, but her
Yeah.
arms seem real loose.
They've been squished up a long time.
Yeah.
Whoop. She resists that. She doesn't want to move those legs yet. There it goes. Come on. I think I need to take a baby massage class so we know what to do. Come on, rub the belly. Come on, sweetie, you gotta wake up. Hey, little Lauren. Yeah, life's hard. You gotta wake up long enough to eat, and then you can go back to sleep. Come on. Come on.
Well, let's see if we can get her fed. See if we can find her. This bunch of covers.
Is there volume on that? Should we turn the TV on?
Yeah, you can hear the TV on it. Uh-oh, here goes again. Another episode of trying to wake up Lauren Ray Baker. She doesn't respond to Renee now, does she?
Mm-mm. Probably doesn't know yet.
Probably. Oh my, I can't get it to back up there. Lauren. Never mind. I won't even try. She is awake. Lauren. Hello, Lauren. You still got your patch on, huh? When you got the lights, had the sunglasses. Put sunglasses from that patch on the other side. Yeah.
Got the tongue sticking out.
I know, got the tongue. Sure, you want to pick her up?
Take her over. Put flowers in the background.
Okay.
A robe on. I'm sticking it up. And we're going to sit down on this nice little cushion.
Typical hospital room.
Daddy. You want to look at your daddy? Yeah. You're okay. I know. I know. How about bringing a blanket for her when she's over?
Okay. I can do that.
She might be a little cold. No, just hers. It's fine. I know. Yeah. We can get you all wrapped up. Lauren. Lauren. It's okay.
The first cry.
Yeah, there's my sweetie. There you are. Look around, everything's okay. Except that you're velcroing yourself to my robe. And that's not good. Yeah. Oh, we need to burp her a bit. That's what's wrong.
I don't know. I think I might have burped her a little bit.
After that last feeding?
Well, I can't be
Did
certain.
you? Let's try it.
Look at that tongue.
Let's see if I can get her up on my shoulder. She might be in trouble. She seems to like this shoulder.
There, she's looking.
Honey, you got it too close?
Hello, Lauren. No? Hello, your dad's a video camera. Yeah. Hey, boy, nice look. Yeah. We got one eye, kind of a bruise.
Aw.
Sort of a George Foreman after the fight sort of look here. No. Oh, she just look a little uncomfortable.
She does look uncomfortable.
A little bit, yeah. She's getting a lot of
Let's
face.
keep her down a minute and let's get her happy.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody. You push the red, you hear that single beat, that means you're recording.
Here we
Hello,
go.
Lauren. Ready to be swaddled? Yeah, man. Okay.
This is Tom's lesson in swaddling.
Yes.
Yeah.
Start from the bottom, maybe. Go from the side.
No, but don't cover her face.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Come on now. Okay, we'll take a side in at this time. See if we can do this. Saw the nurses do this once, and they tuck it under there. Good. There you go. How's this? Yeah. Hey, I'm getting vocal. Dad's trying to bind me. Is that gonna work? Huh? Is that gonna work a little while? You're noisy. Ta-da!
Oh.
Nice crying. Nice crying. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and sit down. Oh, up we go. Up we go. Thought I was gonna get you calm doing that. I don't know if she needs to have.
She
I
might
can't
just,
remember, honey, if I did burper or not. I'll see, sweetie, the thing on the top of it, by your right hand, there are two buttons up on top. One is wide angle, one's telephoto.
I'm gonna turn it off for a minute.
Okay, now you hit that red button.
Well, why don't we go get Robin? She spent most of her time right up in one of those windows.
She's down here somewhere. Here's her boarding room. Hey, sweetie. What you need, hon? Sure. Where's our baby? Oh, bum, 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 bum. And that beat means it's on. Here's the baby.
Here's the father.
Here's the father. The baby is looking at the window. No, she's looking at there. She's looking at the window. There, we got time.